Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a recipe that is really for the sweet tooth. This is a very sweet but very delicious recipe for some kind of like cookies with a chai frosting on top. You want to start out with your brown sugar in a bowl, and then you want to go ahead and add the margarine. Next up, you want to mix that until it is completely combined and creamy. Just like that. Then you want to add a little bit of salt, the flour, some vanilla extract, the ground almonds, and a little bit of milk. And then you want to mix until you have a nice even creamy dough. Then you want to put that on a baking sheet with some baking paper, and you want to spread it out, but it's only about half the size of the baking sheet, so I put this little frame around it, and then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Next up, you want to take your margarine again and just mix so it's creamy. Then you want to take your powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, some cocoa powder, and the instant chai powder. And you want to mix again until you have a creamy texture. You can add a little bit of milk as well to get it nice and creamy. Then you want to take the cake that is cooled down now, and you want to spread the chai mixture on top. And then you can go ahead and cut it down into these little sticks. And if you let them settle overnight, they should be hard enough to store nicely and to eat and enjoy. So I hope you give them a try. I really like these, but as I said, they're very sweet, so keep that in mind. And yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!